Hello student, today we are starting the unit of chemistry first, that is unit number 9, and which is the coordination compound. So let's begin our lecture number 1, unit number 9, and the name is coordination compounds. Students, if you carefully watch the word coordination, then you will see a special type of information, which means the word coordination means to helping by the other species. So in such kind of compound, the electron pair is whole donated by a species and received by a single one. Okay, so that are the basic knowledge of coordination compound. Then again there is a special thing, it is coordinate bond. Such type of bonding present in those species where one is donor and one is receiver. So donor have to lose their two outermost electrons which are unshared. So these two electrons are donated to receivers. So coordination compound have a special type of bonding which is called coordinate bond, and the donor have to donate the lone pair of electron to the receiver. Okay. The other thing is coordination compound is made up of metal ions. What do you mean by metal ions? We know, students, that metal have the tendency to lose electrons, and if they loses the electron, they have positive charge. So such type of metals after losing the electron called metal ions, like Mg2 positive, Na positive. Okay, so Ca2 positive, these are the metal ions. But in coordination compounds, such type of metals are present, and a special type of metal ion, that are D block metals, like first series of D block metals is 3D series, which have iron, cobalt, chromium, nickel. These are the main metals which forms coordinate compound. So metal ions binds with, three type of species. It may be single atom like Cl negative, or group of atom ion. It is also single atom ion. Group of atom ion means NO3 negative, or neutral molecules like NH3CO or H2O. These are the neutral molecules which do not have any type of charge. So you have to clear about the concept of coordination compound, which is metal ion binds with single atom ion or group of atom ion or neutral molecules with the help of coordinate bond. Okay, so these are the basic parameters which you have to learn in the knowledge of coordination compounds. Moving forward, students, there are several examples which we see in our daily life. So I have taken 3 examples. The first one is chlorophyll. The green plants make their own food in leaves with the help of green color, which is provided them by chlorophyll, and the basic constituent to synthesis the chlorophyll is magnesium metal, and it forms coordinate compound or coordination compound. And the second one is hemoglobin. The red color of our blood is due to presence of a pigment called hemoglobin, which have a main constituent to synthesis, that is called iron. Okay, so the whole compound is called coordination compound, in which the metal will be iron. The next one is vitamin B12. Vitamin B is a group of many types of vitamins, in which we have chosen an example of vitamin B12. The structure of vitamin B12, in which you will see the coordination metal is cobalt. Okay, so these are the basic 3 examples which we see in our daily life. There are many applications of fields which I mentioned on the board. The first is metallurgical process. In the process of refining of metals, that means from ore to pure metal extraction, that is called metallurgical process. And there are several types of coordinate compounds which we uses. The next one is industrial catalyst. You all know about the manufacturing of ammonia by Haber process, in which we uses molybdenum and iron. These are the metals which forms coordinate compound. Then analytical reagent. There are many type of titrations which we did in our chemistry lab, and in such type of titration we uses several types of reagents like KMnO4, potassium permanganate, in which you will see the manganese. Okay, so it is also a coordinate compound. Then another field is electroplating. So we save the outer layer of metal with the help of electroplating. That means this method stops the supply of moisture and air inside the surface of pure metal. That's why it is called electroplating and several kinds of coordination compound which are used in such process. The next one is textile dyeing. So from fiber to fabric there is a long process, and to choose own type of color we have to dye our textiles. So the dyeing of textile is due to help of coordination compound. There are several types of medicines in which we uses coordination of compound which are important to cure many type of diseases.